Hi everyone, my name is William Walczak. I am the CEO of Hiilite. I wanted to talk to you about geofencing and how it works. Stick around and I'll give you some details. Alright, so recently we were asked about how geofencing works. So this is for Sean from Butler Branding. He asked, what's the technology behind geofencing and how do they know? Where do you sign up? So it turns out that geofencing is something that we can do in Google AdWords for essentially kind of a less granular setup. So we can see area codes, for example. But if we want to know when we're in a specific store or when we're at a specific location within a very small distance, you actually need additional software, additional information. So there are a number of providers that do this, and they're accessible through essentially kind of larger companies. There is a website called Sito Mobile, S-I-T-O mobile.com. They claim to have access to 98% of consumer information. They integrate with apps like Spotify, Twitter, TSN News. So there's a whole bunch of apps that run their code that will report back and say, this is the location I'm in. As long as that application is running, they can actually see, is this person in? And anyone who subscribes to their platform is able to access that information to sell advertising across their apps. So in Canada, where we are, Bell Mobile has a license with them and is able to resell it and has packages that are fairly expensive, but it gives you really good information. So if you're a business and you want to know, okay, I'm going to run a promotion, and has that promotion actually brought that person directly to my store, this kind of software will give it to you. If you have any more questions about how geofencing works or what exactly it is, make a comment down below and I'll monitor and make sure I answer that as quickly as possible, or find me on Instagram at william.walczak. Thanks so much. I look forward to talking to you soon. This series was filmed at Hiilite Creative Group Studio in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, and is made with the help of our creative team. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and check us out at hiilite.com.